The fastest way to build Flutter apps in Python. Flet enables developers to easily build real-time web, mobile and desktop apps in Python. No front-end experience required. Main features. From idea to app in minutes, an internal tool or a dashboard for your team, weekend project, data entry form, kiosk app or high-fidelity prototype, Flet is an ideal framework to quickly hack a great-looking interactive apps to serve a group of users. Simple architecture. No more complex architecture with JavaScript front-end, REST API back-end, database, cache, etc. With Flet you just write a monolith stateful app in Python only and get multi-user, real-time single-page application, SPA. Batteries included. To start developing with Flet, you just need your favorite IDE or text editor. No SDKs, no thousands of dependencies, no complex tooling. Flet has built-in web server with assets hosting and desktop clients. Powered by Flutter. Flet UI is built with Flutter, so your app looks professional and can be delivered to any platform. Flet simplifies Flutter model by combining smaller widgets into ready-to-use controls with imperative programming model. Speaks your language. Flet is language agnostic, so anyone on your team could develop Flet apps in their favorite language. Python is already supported, Go, C# and others are coming next. Deliver to any device. Deploy Flet app as a web app and view it in a browser. Package it as a standalone desktop app for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Install it on mobile as PWA or View via Flet app for iOS and Android.